back with another video. So today's topic is finding your gift. So what I mean by that is by, realizing your strengths. And the way that you realize your strengths is by actually just realizing what people compliment you on. And most definitely what crippled you when you were growing up. With this being said, it has truly helped me realize my gifts. We all have multiple gifts. There's not just one gift, but things that just come out naturally from within us. And what I mean by that is that there's times where we try to focus on difficult tasks that may not be our strength. We might be spending a little too much time on the things that we're not totally great at, but let's try and build upon the actual strengths that we have from within. And what I mean by investing in yourself in other videos, it doesn't necessarily mean investing in materialistic things. It's more about investing in your mind, body, and soul. And one thing that I truly appreciate with my lifetime is just having the ability, the privilege to seek my own knowledge and wisdom, and have the right to seek your own perspective at the same time. With that being said, we tend to state, I need to find myself. But I've realized that it's not about finding ourselves. It's about building ourselves to the best individual that we can truly be by serving others, and especially serving yourself. Sometimes people believe that it can be selfish to think about yourself, but that's the best thing that you can do, to focus on yourself, so that way you can truly serve others at your best capacity. Because if you don't work on yourself, you'll end up losing yourself. And you begin to see life not in just one lens, but in multiple lenses, and it becomes easier to put yourself in other people's realities. I believe that humans naturally always want to do better, but certain suppressed emotions tend to keep us from our true potential. Another thing that I realized while we're trying to find our gift is that distractions and a lack of discipline truly steers you away from your gift. So it's truly important to realize what distractions distract you. When we have more discipline, we tend to have more freedom. And when we don't have discipline, we tend to do things that we truly don't want to do. And that's also something that keeps us from our true potential and seeking our true gift, or acknowledging it, being aware of it, bringing consciousness to it. It's the whole package. So with that being said, is about connecting the dots, looking backwards, because sometimes we tend to look in the future or in the present moment of the current circumstances, when the answers are looking backwards, by connecting the dots and realizing and reflecting on what moments you felt the most joy, the most passion, the most fulfillment, and where you feel you can do the most impact. By the areas that you've struggled in life, you can capture that in your mind and help other people through the same path that you struggled on. So a call of action would be to be aware of your patterns, the way that you think. If you tend to let certain labels, people's perspectives upon you get to you, because those things truly suppress you as an individual. So it's truly important for you to acknowledge who you truly are by identifying the things that trigger you and past trauma. If you truly found value in this video, there's a small fee, and it is to share it with someone that you believe might to hear this, or any family, friend, acquaintances that you might be getting close to, because I believe there's a divine timing, and that when we are ready to see something, it shows up for us. Have a good rest of your day or night on the other side of the screen. Peace.